Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by gathering materials and setting a clean workspace near ventilation. Gather 5 2x4 wooden blocks, waterproof glue, 120 grit sandpaper, a 12-inch baseboard, and marine varnish. Select blocks that are straight and free of deep knots. Discard warped pieces. Sand edges with 120 grit sandpaper and wipe away dust with a damp cloth before gluing. Lay the baseboard flat and mark block placement on the 12-inch baseboard using a pencil and a ruler set to 3.5 inches spacing. Organize clamps. Begin assembly by dry-fitting blocks to ensure even edges and a level hull profile. Apply waterproof glue along the bottom of each block and press onto the baseboard for 60 seconds. Use a square to verify right angles and adjust before glue bonds. Clamp blocks for 30 minutes, then remove clamps and let glue cure for 24 hours before sealing. After curing, inspect joints and seal seams with a thin bead of waterproof caulk and sand once cured for a smooth hull joint. Test balance by placing a small weight near the center line. Finish with protective coatings and a controlled float test to confirm seaworthiness. Coat the entire boat with 2 layers of marine varnish, allowing 4 hours drying between coats. Lightly sand between coats with 220 grit paper to remove imperfections and improve adhesion. Trim excess caulk, sand with 220 grit paper, and add a 2-inch trim along the bow for strength and aesthetics. Place the boat in a bathtub and perform a float test in a bathtub using 5 lb of weights and check for leaks for 15 minutes. If it leaks, dry, reseal seams, and repeat testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.